You might think drinking plain water before bed is beneficial, but after age 60, this habit could be causing you to wake up at 2 a.m. Every night. It seems like a healthy routine. Sip a glass of water before sleep to maintain hydration and cleanse your system. However, plain water lacks sleep-promoting elements. It contains no tryptophan, magnesium, glycine, or warming properties. It doesn't calm your nervous system. Your body needs these compounds to enter and maintain deep, natural rest throughout the evening. Additionally, that water travels straight to your bladder, triggering earlier wake-ups. As aging reduces your body's water storage capacity, returning to sleep becomes difficult once deep slumber is interrupted. Fortunately, you can continue nighttime hydration by selecting the right beverages. Please share where you're joining us from today. Feel free to ask questions and comment below before we start. Remember to subscribe and turn on notifications to catch Senior Health's best wellness tips. I'd like to know if you're following along. Type 1 in the comments if this content helps you. Type 0 if it doesn't. Also, mention your country so we know where you're watching from. We'd love to hear from you. Let's begin. I'll show you 5 drinks that can substitute for plain water in this presentation. These have been proven to help seniors sleep more soundly, wake less often, and feel significantly more refreshed after just one evening. Moreover, the top beverage does more than aid sleep. It also rebuilds collagen, strengthens muscles, and makes your legs feel lighter come morning. Stay with me until the end because tonight could mark the beginning of change. While plain water has benefits, it lacks necessary nighttime nutrients. It doesn't warm your system. It doesn't soothe your nervous system, and it lacks compounds your body requires for deep rest. Antidiuretic hormone decreases. Melatonin slowly diminishes annually. Your bladder becomes more reactive, and your body no longer holds water overnight as it did around age 60. Just one sip of plain water might have you awake at 3 a.m. But the problem isn't water itself, it's the type of water. You simply need to switch to smarter beverages rather than eliminate them completely. Drinks containing tryptophan, which your system converts to melatonin, magnesium for muscle relaxation, glycine for brain calming, or plant compounds that reduce stress and support your natural sleep cycle. When used correctly, these drinks help your body retain adequate water for sleeping through the night without triggering your bladder prematurely or cooling your stomach. The best part is needing only one small glass made with proper ingredients for your system at the right moment. That alone could make a substantial difference overnight. All the beverages I'll discuss share one thing. They contain specific nutrients that help your body transition from wakefulness to rest. Some provide glycine, magnesium, or potassium to relax tight muscles and calm nerves. Others help you sleep more deeply by encouraging your body to produce more melatonin and serotonin. Still others prevent nighttime bladder triggers by slowly retaining water within your cells. Most importantly, they don't cause agitation, spike blood sugar, or chill you. These 5 drinks can replace plain water at bedtime. Besides improving sleep quality, they may help you feel more rested and less bothered by bladder issues, letting you wake up more energized. I'll start with the most popular choice, followed by the most powerful one. Few people expect the number 1 drink at this video's end, but it provides quite noticeable overnight recovery. 5th, unsweetened warm almond milk, a comforting cup that reduces mental stress. Many believe only cow's milk aids sleep. But after 60, when digestive systems become more lactose sensitive, unsweetened almond milk is a much safer, better choice. Surprisingly, just one small warm cup of almond milk helps older adults sleep deeper and wake less frequently. The reason is tryptophan and magnesium. Nut-based milk naturally contains these 2 components. Magnesium slows receptor activation and helps relax the nervous system. Tryptophan is one amino acid serving as a serotonin precursor. Serotonin converts to melatonin, the primary hormone facilitating nighttime deep sleep. This neurotransmitter encourages calm feelings. A 2014 study in the Journal of Research in Medical Sciences showed promising results. After drinking almond milk twice daily for 2 weeks, adults' average deep sleep duration increased by 22 minutes. They woke less during the night and felt more alert in the morning. Sugar-free almond milk is also low-calorie, doesn't raise blood sugar, and won't cause bloating. This is especially important for older adults who might have prediabetes or nighttime digestive issues. For best results, choose an unsweetened version without artificial flavors. Heat 120 to 150 milliliters and consume 60 to 90 minutes before bedtime. Add a dash of cinnamon for flavor and to help overnight circulation. Though it might seem like a simple milk cup, it offers dual benefits. It nourishes your nervous system and supports your nighttime biological rhythm. Begin now if you haven't tried it. Please share your experience in the comments if you found it helpful so others can benefit. While almond milk is excellent for a warm, nutritious drink, the next beverage might be perfect if you often go to bed with a restless mind, unresolved worries, or an unsettled heart. It's calorie-free, won't cause bloating, and can significantly quiet your brain after just a few sips. A small cup of chamomile tea can ease mental tension in minutes. No sleeping medications needed. Sometimes just a cup of tea is enough to calm the overwhelming messages in your brain and let you drift off naturally without middle-of-the-night awakenings. Chamomile tea is one such beverage. Though caffeine-free and non-addictive, a unique compound called apigenin gives it powerful calming effects. Apigenin is a plant-based flavonoid that binds directly to brain GABA receptors. These receptors control anxiety, tension, and sleep's circadian rhythm. When apigenin activates them, brain excitability decreases, heart rate slows, and the nervous system begins transitioning to rest mode. Your breathing might start evening out. Your thoughts may slow and eyelids might grow heavy. Women over 65 who drank chamomile tea nightly for 2 weeks experienced notable sleep quality improvements. A 2015 clinical trial in Iran, published in the Journal of Advanced Nursing, found average time to fall asleep decreased by 16 minutes. Nighttime awakenings dropped by over 30% compared to non-tea drinkers. Remarkably, 80% of participants reported sleeping better and more deeply the next morning. Unlike sleeping medications that force drowsiness, chamomile encourages natural body reset. It serves as a gentle brain reminder to rest. No more struggle, no more worry. To use correctly, steep one dried chamomile tea bag in hot water for 5 to 7 minutes. Let it cool to a comfortable warm temperature about 45 to 60 minutes before bed, then sip gently. Add a ginger slice or a few drops of natural vanilla if desired for extra warmth. However, avoid sugar and honey, especially if monitoring blood sugar levels. Try chamomile tea tonight if you often go to bed stressed. It provides deep yet gentle peace that might surprise you. Also, remember to share your experience if you notice a difference, so others can learn about this safe option for deeper sleep after 60. The third drink focuses on something more subtle but equally important. While chamomile tea helps mental relaxation, your electrolyte system matters. Even minor mineral imbalances after 60 can cause unusual muscle contractions, bladder sensitivity, and sudden sleep disruption. A drink that might seem overly familiar has the answer: gently warmed coconut water. A summer drink that will keep you sleeping through winter nights. When used properly, coconut water can be a natural solution for older adults wanting to prevent unexpected awakenings, ease overnight bladder spasms, and normalize nerve rhythms. The key lies in fresh coconut water's unique minerals: potassium, magnesium, and natural sodium. These minerals support electrolyte balance, calm nerve impulses, and control gentle, smooth muscle spasms like those in the bladder. A 2017 Journal of Sleep Disorders research study found older people with lower blood potassium levels were more likely to experience nighttime urination and fragmented sleep. The difference was nearly 28% compared to those with balanced electrolytes. Once their minerals were gradually restored through natural dietary sources, their sleep quality improved dramatically in just 1 week. However, coconut water must be used correctly. Don't drink it cold. Avoid it if you have kidney problems or need potassium restriction. Don't consume it too close to bedtime. The ideal method is diluting fresh coconut water with warm water in a 1-to-1 ratio. Consume only 100 to 120 milliliters. Take it slowly after dinner, waiting at least an hour before bed. Add fresh ginger for digestion help and warmth. This is a natural light beverage that helps relax blood vessels, reduce bladder pressure, and prevent nighttime nervous system overstimulation. If you've ever awakened with leg cramps, restless legs, or urges to urinate despite drinking little, coconut water might end this cycle. If you find yourself sleeping through morning after 3 consecutive nights of use, please return and share your experience. Sometimes one drink change can give your entire sleep schedule a fresh start. The next beverage works directly on your adrenal glands, while coconut water calms nerve signals from your bladder. This is where your body manages stress chemicals. The real reason many seniors can't get good sleep isn't the bladder or surroundings. Warm golden milk is the most effective way to gently lower cortisol, a hormone that remains elevated after people try to sleep. Second place, golden milk with black pepper, a golden beverage that can reduce stress hormones within 1 hour. When you lie down with elevated stress hormone cortisol levels, your brain stays alert even when you're not actively worried. Your brain doesn't release melatonin. Your heart rate doesn't decrease. You simply lie there tossing in bed wondering why sleep won't come. Turmeric's active ingredient, curcumin, is one of few natural substances that can regulate the HPA axis. This is how your brain, pituitary, and adrenal glands communicate. When properly absorbed, curcumin can relax the prefrontal cortex, increase GABA activity, and reduce cortisol production. This brain part often stays overactive when you try sleeping. Here, black pepper becomes crucial. Combined with warm milk, it immediately calms nerves by activating stomach enzymes that increase curcumin absorption 7 to 8 times. A 2019 phytotherapy research study showed adults taking curcumin nightly for 4 weeks experienced an average 23% cortisol decrease. Simultaneously, EEG scans revealed improved deep sleep and overall sleep quality. Usage is simple. In 150 milliliters of warmed milk, mix half a teaspoon of pure turmeric powder with a small black pepper pinch. Use oat milk, walnut milk, or almond milk. Consume slowly about an hour before bed. Don't drink on an empty stomach and don't make it too strong. This beverage does more than improve sleep quality. It also helps your body heal overnight, soothes nighttime joint pain, and subtly reduces inflammation. Try golden milk tonight if you've ever awakened feeling achy or had poor sleep due to stress. Don't hesitate to share your story if you wake up feeling better, so others can achieve good sleep too. The final beverage is the most comprehensive solution. While golden milk reduces stress hormones and relieves lingering nighttime discomfort, this drink promotes deeper sleep while facilitating your body's natural healing process during sleep. The best part is that when used correctly, effects can appear quickly, sometimes in just 1 or 2 nights. First place, warm bone broth or diluted gelatin. The most effective natural sleep aid for adults over 60 is a beverage often considered joint support. You may have heard gelatin promotes tighter skin and more flexible joints. But few people know gelatin contains glycine, an amino acid. This compound is essential for stable central nervous system function and sound sleep. Glycine encourages slow brain waves, lowers core temperature, and slows heart rate. These are precise physiological markers of restful deep sleep without dreams. Taking 3 g of glycine before bed helped older people sleep deeper, wake less frequently, and most importantly, wake up feeling notably brighter and refreshed in the morning. A 2007 Neuropsychopharmacology Journal study found this noteworthy because unlike sleeping drugs, glycine doesn't cause drowsiness. It's especially suitable for those with chronic insomnia or non-restorative sleep because it helps your body naturally transition into sleep cycles. Additionally, gelatin boosts collagen production during sleep. It aids joint maintenance, muscle recovery, and tissue repair. Your body's efficiency in these activities declines after 60. Bone broth contains gelatin, glycine, proline, and various minerals in a gently simmered broth from bones that support healthy joints, soothe the stomach, and maintain steady overnight hydration. Dissolve 1 tablespoon of unflavored gelatin in about 120 milliliters of warm water 30 to 45 minutes before bed. Stir well until completely dissolved, then sip gently. For bone broth, ensure it's low sodium to improve absorption. Warm it slowly without making it too thick and consume alone without food. Try bone broth or gelatin tonight if you've tried many sleep aids but still wake exhausted. Sometimes a little support at the right time and place can restore truly restful night's peace for seniors, though it may not be miraculous. Also, don't keep the difference to yourself if you feel it. Please leave the drink name you're trying in the comments to help someone else get good sleep tonight. You might worry that drinking anything at night will force bathroom trips. Don't worry. You can still sleep well without middle-of-the-night disturbances using the right drink at the proper time. Whether you drink isn't important. What matters is how much you drink at the right time and whether your body is prepared to retain water during sleep. First, remember you don't need much liquid. About 100 to 150 milliliters is sufficient. 1 small chamomile tea cup, half a cup of almond milk, and a tablespoon of gelatin in warm water each contain adequate sleep-promoting nutrients without straining your bladder. Drinking more won't improve sleep. It will only cause earlier awakening. Second, consume it 60 to 90 minutes before bedtime. Drink it now, not while in bed. Treat it as a calming ritual after dinner. Once you've finished your drink, brush your teeth and take a final bathroom break. With an empty bladder, you'll feel more comfortable and can fall into deep sleep without middle-of-the-night awakening. Third, prioritize drinks high in nutrients but low in liquid volume. Almond milk, golden milk, or thickened gelatin are excellent choices. Besides promoting relaxation, they prevent water from reaching the bladder by retaining it in muscle and nerve tissues. If tea or coconut water has ever awakened you, try drinking them early, preferably before 7 p.m. Fourth, establish the habit of using the bathroom at the same time nightly. By helping your bladder re-establish regular rhythm, your body will gradually relearn overnight water retention without pressure or effort. Fifth, avoid drinking large amounts at once. Sip slowly. Let it settle for 10 to 15 minutes. Breathe evenly as you drink. This helps better absorption and prevents quick intake from shocking your bladder. Finally, limit yourself to 1 drink weekly. Try almond milk the first week. Try gelatin the second. Everyone responds differently. By testing each separately, you can discover what works best for your body without causing discomfort or nighttime urination. You don't need sleeping medications. You don't have to endure another sleepless night, and you don't have to force early bedtimes. Sometimes just a small change is needed, the right beverage at the appropriate time. Strong enough to activate your body's natural sleep response, yet gentle enough to prevent bladder fullness. Sleep becomes more challenging after 60. Your body changes. Your hormones shift. Your nervous system becomes more sensitive. But this doesn't mean tolerating 2 a.m. shock awakenings, lying there unable to return to sleep. You can still get 6 to 7 hours nightly and wake up feeling light and clear-minded. A gentle chamomile tea cup, a diluted warm gelatin glass, and a single small warm almond milk cup are good starting points. Choose what works best for you. Drink it at the appropriate time. Be patient for several days and listen to your body. Gradually but surely the difference will become apparent. Which will you try tonight? Comment below with your choice because someone else might sleep better tonight due to your small experience. Also, subscribe and enable notifications if you'd like to continue receiving videos that help you better understand your body after 60. I want to know if you're following along. Type 1 in the comments if this video helps you. Type 0 if it doesn't. I'll be here weekly to walk with you night after night as you pursue the restful sleep you truly deserve.